So this is actually from a children's book called Yoga Bear. I can't remember the author right now. I know a lot of you have been getting up to do things. This is actually a kneeling on the floor one, and I don't expect you to do it. It's from Yoga Bear. So, and this would normally be on the floor with me if I were to do it. So one of the moves just goes, does a lion snore? And the kids, and presumably you would flip it over, but, or does he